Hello everyone, I am Abhay Singh and in this video we will be discussing about basics of coding in Python. In this video we will include using comments in Python, executing commands in Python, importing packages, getting data, saving output in Python, accessing records and variables. So let's begin with using comments in Python. So what are comments? Comments in Python are essential for making your code readable and organized. They are ignored by the interpreter, so they won't affect the program. We use the symbol hashtag to add a single line comment. And here is the syntax for comments. So this won't be interpreted by the interpreter. Though there are multiple line comments as well in which we use triple quotes. Here we have used triple quotes, so area between this won't be interpreted by the interpreter. So we use comments to explain what your code does, which helps you and others to understand the code better. Next we have is executing commands in Python. So Python commands can be run in various ways, including IDLE, Python's integrated development environment, command line or terminal, Jupyter Note or VS Code. Simply type Python followed by the file name to run the program. Here we have written Python and here is the file name and here is the extension for Python which is .py. In a notebook environment like Jupyter, you can execute code cells directed by pressing Shift and Enter. We can choose an environment that's comfortable for you. IDSE and Notebook often provide additional features like syntax, highlighting, and debugging tools. Next we have is importing packages in Python. So packages in Python are pre-written libraries that save your time and effort by providing built-in functions for specific tasks. We use the word import to bring in a package, and here's to import use the math package. And here we have imported math library, and when we print math.square 16, the output will be 4. We can import a specific function from a package as well, in which we use from import. Here we have used from math import pi, in which we have imported pi. So when we put print pi, it will print the value of pi, which is 3.1415. Next we have is getting data. So in Python, data can be input manually or loaded from external sources like CSV files, databases, or APIs. To get data from a user, we use the input function. And here we have used input function in which the user will type his or her name and we can print it with the help of the name of the variable. So his name would be in output. And we can load data from files using packages like pandas for easy data manipulation. And here we have imported panda library as PD. And next we have is saving output in Python. How we can save our output in Python. So saving our program's output is essential for logging data or exporting results. We can save data to a text file using the function open, and in write mode we use w, and which we can be written as dot write function. And here's the example of that, in which we have used with open bracket means function open, and we have written output.txt and ww for write as a file, and it can be forwarded as file.write, in which we have included this is the output data. To save data in formats like CSV, the pandas package is extremely useful. And here is the example for that. To save data in formats like CSV, and we have put index value as false. Saving our output makes it easy to log information and create databases that can be reused or shared. And last we have is accessing records and variables in Python. So what are variables in Python? Variable in Python are used to create and access by simply assigning values. And here is the example for assigning variable, in which we have taken variable name as age and we have given 25, which is an integer value, and we have taken variable name as name, in which we have given a string value which is Alice, and we can print both these, age and name, which will be 25 and Alice. And we can access the record in our database as well using index for list or columns in data frames. And here is the example. Here we have created a list in which we have taken values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, And when we put print number 0, so which is the number which is present on index 0 will be output, which is 0. And if we put 1 here, 2 value will be our output. And so this was all about basics of coding in Python. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.